now we are in the street where my hotel is. So you have the Hermes apartments there, and next to it it's the Mary Hotel apartments. So if you are planning to stay here, you will come into that street there, and then here's the entrance. So here's the entrance, and then let's go first to the bedroom. Let me close the door so you can see it best. So it's an apartment slash hotel, as you can see on the website, or if you checked it, to stay here. So I'm standing in a corner now, and this is the whole bedroom. So you get like two drawers on each side, a king size bed, and always nice to have is a desk for your computer and stuff. Don't mind this. This is my trash bag. You have a very good airco that works great in this room, and of course also nice to have because it's the time period of the World Cup. So I've been watching a lot of games, even though I'm on vacation, because I love football. So you have Google TV here. So let's just go to the sports channel. So as you can see, you can nicely check television from the bed. So that's nice. You have some night lights if you, I don't know, if you read a book or something. And you have a nice big closet, as you can see. They they clean your room basically every day. If they come and knock at your door if you're there, and otherwise they will go in. But they basically clean your room every day. You can if you think every day is too much, then you can just say, hey, you can skip today because I'm sleeping or whatever. So it's no problem. Oh yeah, and for people that use like a hair dryer, that's also an option here. And yeah, like I said, you have a big closet for your clothes, a tiny security safe. Here you can put your shoes or slippers, and yeah, they put like an extra cover, but I don't think you need it here because it's super warm. It's every day like 30 plus. Let me close the closet so you can see. So that's pretty much it for this room. Let me stand again on the corner of the room. Let's go check out the other rooms. So if we leave the bedroom, this is the main living room. Here's a quick overview. Here's the shower with the glass door. So somebody's on it, as you can hear. Yeah, you have a nice little couch to chill on. You have your small table for four, another bed for the other person that's here, and here's the balcony. It's just a little balcony, but as you can see, nice view at the outside. We'll go there in a minute. Yeah, so not too much stuff in the living room, but that's fine. Here you have a little TV. So let's just do a quick check on the fridge. Here you can see how much room you have, and you got like a little freezer as well. And if you want to cook, it's also possible, but I never cook on vacation. And let's just check what kind of things they deliver in the room. So you got a coffee machine, they give you a juicer, a toaster, and yeah, whatever that is in the bag, but I think it's like some coffee powder or something. And here you have a water cooker. I don't recommend using water cookers if you see this viral meme that people are like washing their panties in there or boxers, so never use that. Yeah, a bunch of dishes, which is handy of course if you eat in here. And here you have the kitchen, and here you have a trash can and a bunch of pots and pans and a toaster again. So let's just stand on the side again. So here you have a quick overview again of the Mari Hotel / apartments. I would give it a thumbs up. It was a nice day, nice people, nice staff. So I would recommend. So for last, let's just check the balcony, and then that's it. Let's go to the balcony. A quick look here. So nothing special, but your wash stuff, few seats, table, and this is the view over the hotel pool and stuff.